Material girl.
Does dressing up and looking cute just to go eat and take pictures count as soft life? Then I'm living it. If you've ever wondered why people take photos first before they eat their food, then this is why.
My food, baby.
I'm going to an art gallery and I want to show up as a French girl. What's a French girl without her beret? First thing that comes to mind when you think of an art gallery, did you guess paintings? Yes. But art is art and we have different forms. But the kind of art I went to meet, I had not prepared myself for. What's good, honeys? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, Anne and I are going to check out Coco.
I'm here for the photos. Anne is here to just relax. Get it? Yeah.
You know, sharp.
I'm good. Like the sun is hitting me. Material girl.
And I get it from my mammy, Balmain, bust down. These hoes can't stand me.
I was really feeling myself in this dress. The black and gold aesthetic of this place to totally match with my outfit, so I decided to take some photos in this particular spot and did justice to them, guys. They came out so well, but I'm not sure I'm going to post these photos because we realized last minute that the Coco Vanilla that we came to wasn't the one that I wanted to come to.
So guys, the Coco Vanilla that we went to wasn't where I saw in the photos. Apparently that one is located at Adringano, so we are rerouting. We are going there right now because those particular spots are where I want to take my photos. You guys see them here. So let's go.
And unfortunately, I'm being dragged along.
Yeah, she has to be dragged. Me pay no so. See what's so in it, man.
What pay? What pay? What pay are you talking about? Seriously, I'm interested. What
She's
pay?
being paid well.
This is the first time I'm hearing about this and I'm interested. What pay? No. I hope this is the place.
Yeah, it's this one. This is the one that we saw in the pictures. Adringano.
What are you doing?
Material girl.
This place is dusty.
I want you to know, boo. You see the way my edges are edging. So guys, we are at the right Coco Vanilla now. As in where I want to come to. Okay. So yeah, this one is Coco Vanilla Adringano.
Alright, so now time for a mini food review. The cocktail was 10 over 10. Guys, I totally enjoyed every bit of it, and the assorted beef spaghetti too was really good. Honestly, you should totally check them out. And yeah, this is not sponsored. You guys can see the evidence, right? Everything is literally gone and I'm left with this bloated tummy.
My food, baby.
Luckily enough, I took my photos before this, so I do not have to worry.
What's good, honeys? Let's go do our nails, alright? I'm going to get these nails done. Funny enough, I already have a lot of them gone already. So
Yes, I know I have short nails. Don't come for me, okay?
super pretty sides.
It was at this point that I remembered my last nail makeover experience.
Don't worry, today I am pretty sure it's not going to be a fail. The last time you guys were saying that you liked it, but anyways, let's go.
How many of you have realized that every time I'm about to step out, I drink water? I just noticed that most of my YouTube videos have scenes where I'm drinking water, and that's on hydration, period. You get to stay hydrated, drink water, and mind your business. The business that is paying you. Hi guys, meet Stella, our cute little dog. So my boat is already here. We'll be going to Senam Beauty Day Spa. I think that's the name that my sister told me. And I hope they do me good because this is my first time.
Good afternoon. Senam Day Spa.
I realized I didn't pick hand cash and I'm trying so hard to reduce my use of Momo because if this e-levy thing is passed, bro, I don't even know where to start. It's stressing me out.
Guys, I'm finally here at Days Bar, so let's hope it goes good. Because my sister recommended them, so I'm trusting the recommendation, alright?
My sister told me that when I get here, there wouldn't be a lot of people around, and she was actually right. When I got here, there weren't so many people around, so I could just walk in and then get my nails done. Alright, so here are the new nails. The service, I would say, was 8 over 10. Yes, I'd give them an 8. And that's because the lady didn't get the shade of nude I wanted. But that's fine. We can work with that. So currently, I'm heading home. Alright, so here is a close-up of the nails. And I had to put on some rings so that I can start loving them. I have these rings for sale, Danielle's findings. So if you want them, just hit me up. Gallery, and I wanted to attempt a French girl aesthetic. So that's why I'm dressing this way. I'm going to be creating some content at Nubuke Foundation. A social media friend who is also a creative reached out to me, so I'm going to be meeting and then we are going to shoot some content together. Now, what's a French girl without hairberry? I surely had to do it for the gang. And well, yes, of course, some rings just to spice up my outfit and also make my nails look pretty. So here's the final look. I added a tote bag to match my berry. Now let's go. So this is the full French girl aesthetic with a blazer. Rate me in the comments. How did I do?
So today I'll be going to an art gallery with a friend, a creative friend I met on social media, and we are going to be creating some content there and then also checking out some of the art pieces. I think it's really going to be exciting. This is the fit. Okay, let's do this. Danielle, I'm Danielle.
Yes.
Afram.
Sister Agency.
The Bouquet Foundation. Shashi.
If you're wondering why I have no makeup on, it's because I don't know how to do it. Plus, I wish I really knew. But your girl is fucking lazy. So I'm finally here at Nubuke Foundation, and the architecture here is quite impressive. This is purely Le Corbusier style. I'm signing in before I show you everything else. Obviously had to sanitize.
Hey guys, so I'm here at Nubuke Foundation and I was told to wear a mask, obviously. So I'm waiting for my creative friend. He's not yet here, but he said he's on his way. So yeah, I hope he gets here soon.
So before he arrives, let's go and explore. I was so full of excitement. I wanted to know the art that I was going to see because, oh, it's an art gallery. I mean, I went in and I saw iron frames, like iron gates, these welders. This is their art. That is the art that I went to meet, guys. I was taken aback because these were beautiful pieces. Honestly, a lot of work went into these. If you listen attentively, you can find that the sound that the iron welders make has been used to create music. It might be unbearable for some of you guys, apologies, but then I think that's mind-blowing. That's actually creative. To make music out of the sound that we get from welding iron, working with iron, making these frames. That's genius. So if you are thinking art is all about paintings and all of that, then please, this is a different kind of art. This is rare and this is beautiful. Now let's appreciate the architecture of this place. It's purely Le Corbusier style, characterized with an elevated building with a free facade, long horizontal ribbon windows as you can see. It also has a free ground plan, void of columns and all of that. The space is open. And guys, the architect in me wouldn't skip this. I wouldn't go without noticing this. So that's a little bit of architecture for some of you. If you're an architecture student or you're an architect and you're watching this, you would know what I'm talking about. Now I was done exploring and my creative friend was still not here yet. So I decided to sit on a bench and wait for a couple more minutes. And then finally, he arrived. Okay guys, so this is Jude, a model and a music creator. I met him back in Pisky when I was out shooting photos by myself and he wanted to link up and create some content together. And I was like, why not? So here's a little tip for creators. This is basically my photo checklist. I take full photos, portrait shots, wide angle shots, detail shots and close-up shots. This is a little tip for those who are interested in which kinds of photos to be taken for their feed. So I had to guide him through all of this so that I get the kind of shots that I want. So apparently I was wearing my face mask the whole time and I didn't even realize.
Has my face mask been on this whole time?
No.
It has.
Let me see. I didn't see it.
So we took the photos again and this is how they turned out. Congratulations, if you are still watching this, you saw these photos before I posted them on my feed. I'm so glad for a successful content day. Thank you so much for watching.
I'm so tired, I can't even do my YouTube outro. So see you in my next video. Bye.
Sometimes I wish everyone would see what creators go through to produce their art. The effort that goes into it, the behind the scenes. Probably they would appreciate it more. But that shouldn't discourage you from creating. You're surely going to blow up one day.